Hey there, have you ever wanted to send a bunch of email at once but didn't know how? Let's chat about how you can use Gmail for bulk emailing. It's super easy and a game changer for staying in touch with everyone. Want to learn some tips and tricks together? So let's get started. So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well. So in this video, I will show you how to send bulk emails using Gmail like a pro. The first step that you have to do is open up your browser firstly, of course, and you have just to dive into mail merge, and then you click over the first one and you'll find create a mail merge. But before, let's know what is bulk emailing. So bulk emailing is a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop, whether you are sharing updates, promoting an event, or just checking it with friends and family. I will walk you through the steps to do it effectively, and I will also share some tips to make sure your emails land in the right inbox and don't get marked as spam. Alright, so now that we have covered why bulk emailing is so useful, let's dive into the steps. But hey, before we do that, let me say something. If you are thinking that sounds complicated, well, don't worry, I promise I'm right here with you. Now grab your laptop and let's jump into it together. I will walk you through each step and feel free to pause the video and catch up if you need to. So let's get started. So firstly, you have just to dive into Mailmerge as I said, and you'll find this results. You have to click over the first one as you can see, and then you'll find other page, which is this one as you can see. So here we have create a Mailmerge with Gmail and Google Sheets. We have here coding, duration, project type. About the coding level, beginner, duration 10 minutes. Project type, we have automation with a custom menu. So we have here, if we scroll down objectives, here we have understand what the solution does, understand what the application script services do within the solution, set up the script, run the script as well. About the solution, we have here how it works. This is the important note, and also we have this one is very important. I will just discovering this information, then I will get started like that and creating our mail merge. So here we have, you can just create a Gmail draft template with placeholder that corresponds to data in a sheet spreadsheet. Each column header in a sheet represents a placeholder tag. The script sends the information for each placeholder from the spreadsheet to the location of the corresponding placeholder tag in your email draft. Alright, then if we scroll down, we'll find here set up the script, create the application script project. The first step, which is click the following button to make a copy of the Gmail Sheets Mail Merge Simple Spreadsheet. Application script project for this solution is attached to the spreadsheet. You can just click over make a copy and you'll find other page, which is this one. But before, let's know other information. So about the second step, we have here in your copied spreadsheet, update the recipients column with the email addresses you want to use in the mail merge. Third one, add, edit, or remove columns to customize the data you want to include in your email template. Then we have also other information, which is create an email template, run the script, review the code, modifications, contributors, next steps as well. Right, you have just right now to click over make a copy and you will find other page, which is this one as you can see. I've just right now to click over make a copy and then you will find other page, which is this one as you can see. So to set up your Google Sheet for bulk emails, create a new sheet with headers like name, email, subject, and message. Fill in the rows with the details for each recipient. Use a placeholder like name in the message for personalization. This structure will facilitate the mail merge process for sending emails. Alright, so right now all I have to do is just getting started by modifying the title if you want. Then we have also here if I put it in the drive and other things if you want. Also we have here other options that could help you. Alright, and right now we have various things. Firstly, we have in the first file the first name, then we have the last name in the second, recipient in the third, description in the fourth, then we have discount code, discount amount. So one important note that you have to know, which is about these four columns on files, you don't have to modify it. About this one and this one and also this one, you can just modify it if you want. You can put, for example, other things, for example, business code, business amount, and other things. So all we have here an example. For example, we have here Sherlock, last name Holmes, recipient or Gmail. Then we have the description, discount on Google Apps, script, books. Then we have discount code and discount amount. I will just come back here. Then we add, for example, here LeBron, and about last name I will add James, for example. Then our recipient I will add, for example, LeBron James, and I will add, for example, here email.com, right? Then I will add another one here about the reception. So about this one, I don't think it's a modification the size of this one. Alright, as you can see, I will just here modify it like that, and here we have it, the size and the space. Then I will add the code. For example, I will add here AA000 and 3. Then about here the discount amount, I will add, for example, here 3. I will add firstly the currency, as you can see, and I'll put it here. I will add the currency like that, and then you have to write, for example, here 15, as you can see. Then here we have the email sent, or you don't need it. So right now I will just go to Gmail, and you have just right now to dive into mail.google.com after opening your browser, and then you have to create an account if you don't have an account by adding your personal information, or you can just log in if you want to find your account as I did. And here we have it. Right now I will just click over compose, and I will find this page, as you can see. So here we have it. We don't have this thanks, but I just write it. You can write whatever you want also. For example, here we have two, and you have to add recipient or the email, and then here we have the description. Here is the discount code, and you write the discount code for this month. Then you come back here and you start with hey, and you add the first name, and you come back, and in the beginning you have to write I am reaching out, or for example that's what I wrote, and you have just to write whatever you want if you get started here. So about these three lines you have to write the same thing or different also. Then we have here I'm reaching out to you to send you this mod discount code. I hope to subscribe to us for more existing offers. Let us know what this experience is like for you. Thanks, and write the name, and they will click over send, and they will send it. Then you have just to come back here to Google Sheet, and you have to click over mail merge after that, and you click over send emails, and you'll find another page, which is this one, as you can see, right? Just use your email or use another account if you want, and that's it, how you can set up using Google Sheets. So to set up your Google Sheet for bulk emails, you have just to create a new sheet with headers like name, email, subject, and message. Fill the rows with the details for each recipient using placeholders like name and the message for personalization. This structure will facilitate the mail merge process for sending emails. And that's it. Sending bulk emails with Gmail is super easy once you know the steps. I hope you found this very helpful and beautiful for you, and feel ready to give it a try. Remember, you can reach out to so many people in just a few clicks. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to ask. I am here to help. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and happy emailing. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead, and see you again in the next video.